and our 26 by 40 weld up metal building has just been completed a couple days ago, and I'm about to do a tour on this building because they're going to be doing spray foam. Welcome backpack, this is Adbeel from WolfSteel Buildings, and our 26 by 40 weld up metal building has just been completed a couple days ago, and I'm about to do a tour on this building because they're going to be doing spray foam. And so I wanted to show you guys the building before we do the spray foam and check it out. Right now it's really windy out here in Kaufman, Texas. This is the first test of how it can withstand wind, and so far it's doing a good job. It better. So let's get this tour started, and we're gonna be checking out this 26 by 40 metal building. Let's get this going. Check this out, guys. I know it's a little windy here, but we got a 26 by 40 metal building. If you've been watching our channel, you should be seeing there's a part one where we did the site prep work, and also we did all this concrete driveway up here to the approach, and then the ramp out there, which I will talk a little bit about the ramp with the building on top. But if you really want to see how we did the site work, make sure to check out part one. Subscribe to our channel. We are doing a lot of builds right now, and this metal building is a 26 wide by 40 long, 12 foot to the eaves, two 10 by 10 roll-up doors. That's a nice star already, ready to really outshine in the neighborhood. Check out our roof line trims that we're starting to use now. It's a really nice, clean. This is the tan color, and if you notice, we're also adding the trim on the frame so it looks fully complete. This is our roll-up doors, so this I will open it to show you guys, but it's different than the overhead commercial doors, which we are offering as well. One of the beauties of the red iron builds is that the trims are built in conjunction or in combination with the gutters, so it looks very seamless. Client did the panels all brown, even the roof, and all the trimming the color tan. Check out these nice 45-degree cuts. This is our double pane windows. It is insulated. Remember, our client is going to be doing spray foam, so if you're going to spray foam the building, you want to make sure you have a lot of accessories that are also insulated to maximize the efficiency. And you can see this sidewalk has it's lower, and then our building is sitting on top. That way no water is passing through our notch work. You can see we still have the plastics. This is our steel door. It is insulated commercial door. This is really good, but I'm not opening it because it's already been prepared for spray foam. Super clean building, guys. The trim work is just phenomenal. We did do the little ramp here. Our client wants to mow his yard and be able to drive up with his lawnmower up to his building, so that's why we did that special work. We do use, for all our weld up buildings, we do use 26 gauge panels, so it's PBR panels as well. So it's the PBR panel is the type of shape, which is more of a rugged look, as well as the 26 gauge is more of the heavier panels that are in the metal building market. If you get a tubular building, more than likely you're gonna get standard, you're gonna get 29 gauge, but you can upgrade to 26 gauge for the tubular building. So if you notice, we've already prepared part of it for spray foam, which is the doors. So check out the inside, guys. This is a weld up building. So we use red iron beams as well as posts and C-channels. And it's all welded. Every part of this part is welded, and that's the difference between a weld building as well as both red iron buildings. See, we've already prepared the windows as well as the roll-up door and the walk-in door for the spray foam, because this is going to be spray foam tomorrow. So the reason why we got 40 long is typically a vehicle is about 20 foot long. And then from here, he wants to build kind of like a workshop here. And that's why he wants to park his lawnmower and access through his backyard through this steel door. And then the 2 windows is more for lighting. So let me close it up. It's about 3 p.m. right now. About 3 p.m. This is how dark it can get. So it's not that dark with the 2 windows in case you're looking for more lighting, natural lighting. We can also do some skylights. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to check out more of our builds, check and subscribe to our channel. We got a lot of cool projects from like matte black buildings, a lot of spray foam that we're going to be doing. It's really, really exciting. A lot of really cool builds coming up. So don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.